Good day. My name is Marlene Tolentino Lusica, and my group mates are Jarka Pabia, Angelica Remaluna. Our topic is all about prostitution. The practice of engaging in relatively indiscriminate sexual activity, in general with someone who is a spouse or a friend, in exchange for immediate payment in money or other valuables.
Prostitution, someone encouraged a sex, paid for a sex, or something valuable thing that may
Prostitution contributes to the objectification of women. Just because someone pays does not erase the qualifications of what we consider sexual violence and rape. However, people who pay for sex tend to think that what they do is acceptable. Causes of prostitution. Most influential factors are physical, emotional, premature poor status, financial situation. Some of them experience in both or combination.
the cause of prostitution mostly is poverty, and the cause of prostitution is depression, suicidal thoughts, and mental illness, reproductive health problem.
Thus, legalizing prostitution work. Not only does sex work become safer when it is regulated, but legalization also works to weed out the black market that exists for prostitution, thereby making women safer overall. So, pag sex work is dili man gid siya ligtas nga trabaho, pero legalization siya sa black market kanang nagpagawas sila para sa prostitution. Kung kinsa man tong mga bae nga nag sex work is kanang naay kaligtasan. Also, sex workers are not branded as criminals, so they have better access to the legal system and are encouraged to report behaviors that are a danger to themselves and other women in the industry. Finally, legalizing sex work will provide many other positive internalities, including tax revenue, reduction in sexually transmitted diseases, and reallocation of law enforcement resources. Ang sex nga pagtrabaho is dili siya matawag nga kriminal, pero naa sila'y system nga ga-access para maga-encourage sa ilang nga mo-report nga kini nga tao is delikado ana nga kuan industry. Legalizing sex work is ga-provide pud sila og mga positive nga internalities, pareha ng tax revenue, magbayad og tax, tapos reduction in sexually transmitted diseases, kanang dili matakdan og sakit kana siya nga tao is nakipag-sex sa lain, tapos reallocation of law enforcement resources, kanang dali lang makitaan ba nga ang location kung asa gikan tong tao nga nag-sex worker sa ana nga industry. Which countries have legalized prostitution? European countries to legalize prostitution have been far from perfect. Legal and regulated in Germany, Switzerland, Greece, Austria. In the Netherlands, certain components of the legislation, such as requiring sex workers to register and setting the minimum age for prostitution at 21, could drive more sex workers to illegal markets, and many other countries in Europe. So, mo ni siya ang mga countries nga naglegal og prostitution. Sa Netherlands is nag-require sila nga kung kinsa tong mag sex workers is kanang mag-register sila, pero ang pinakaubos nila is kaning minimum sa 21 nga edad. Tapos legal siya into the markets. Tapos uban pa sa lugar nga kuan sakop sa Europe. Many major European cities have red lights district and regulated brothels that pay taxes and follow certain rules. Sa uban mga cities nga sa Europe is naa sila'y kuan red light district, kanang naa sila'y regulated ba kanang magbayad sila taxes, tapos mag-follow sila sa mga certain rules nga ilang pangbuhaton. Example of sex work prostitution. Prostitution involves the selling of sex, This means that money is the key feature of prostitution. So, ang example ani is involves the selling of sex. Ang babae, magpa-sex na lang siya para naa siya'y kwarta or kaning dali ra siya makapangita og kwarta ba sa kaning involves of selling of sex kaning magpagamit na sa iyang lawas or kinsa tong makipag-sex sa iya. As such, money is also the major motivation for women who become prostitutes, as most of them come from low-income backgrounds. So, ang example ani is kaning mga babae nga walay income background, so mag-prostitutes na lang sila para makapangita sila og kwarta nga kung kinsay magpagamit sa ilang lawas or makipag-sex sa lain. So, mao ni lang mga trabaho nga walay income backgrounds. For indoor workers and especially call girls, prostitution is a potentially well-paying occupation. So, ang example ani is babae, kanang pwede ra siya matawagan kung kinsay gusto makipag-sex sa iya, isitugit na lang siya, mo ni yung mga trabaho niya, kaning magulat ra siya kung kinsay mo tawag sa iya or kanang mugamit sa iyang lawas, o magpagamit siya sa lain. Street workers hardly get rich from prostitution and suffer the many problems listed earlier. So, ang example aning street workers is naara sa kilid sa kalsada nagpuyo or mga tambay bitaw nga bae or kaning drug addict ba nga mga babae. So, dali agud sila madato kay kaning kung kinsa toy mag-prostitute sa ilaha mo agto na mo kan man dayon sila magpagamit sa ilang lawas, man sila ang mga tao nga easy to get money na lang, so dali ra sila madato, wala sila pakialam nga mag-suffer sila or say kanang mabuhat silang kaugalingon or bahalag daghan lang problema, basta lang madato sila or makapangita og kwarta. Tapos man sila ang mga street workers nga kaning dali ra madato. Thus, legalizing prostitution reduces violence. It found 6 workers who had been exposed to repressive policing like arrest or prison were 3 times more likely to experience sexual or physical violence by clients, partners, and other people. So, kini is kung kinsa tong makipag-sex nga babae nga mulapas na og 3 ka binuhatan niya, gi-expose ang policing nga pwede ma-preso or ma-aresto, then to experience sexual or physical violence sa clients, sa partner o sa ubang tao. So, kung kini siya is makipag-sex siya sa client o sa partner nga, 3 ka binuhatan niya is ma-preso siya or ma-aresto.
How does prostitution affect in mental health? Evidence from previous studies indicate that women in sex work may experience a high burden of mental illness, especially mood disaster, suicidal ideation, and post-traumatic stress disorder. The disadvantage of prostitution may cause victimless crime, prostitution and free choice, morality of prostitution, human trafficking, prostitution and violence, HIV or AIDS prevention, prevalence of rape, prostitution as a legitimate business. Victimless crime. Ang prostitution ay maaaring maging isang krimen laban sa mga kalalakihan. Ito ay papipilit sa isang prostitute na makipagtalik sa namang malalaswang bagay. Prostitution and free choice. Kadalasan sa mga kababaihan ay mas pipiliing maging prostitute para sa kanilang pangangailangan. Ito ang kadalasang rason ng isang pagiging prostitution. Streets. Kind of prostitution na makikita mo na maghihintay sa daan na nagdadamit ng maiksi. Brothels. Kind of prostitution na makikita sa loob ng boy house, cat house, netting shop, or general houses. Escort. In escort prostitution, the act takes place at the customer's residence for a hotel room referred to as outcall, or at the escort residence or in a hotel room rented for the occasion by the escort called in-call. Sex tourism is a travel intercourse with prostitutes or to engage to other sexual activity. Virtual sex. That is sexual acts conveyed by messages rather than physically is also the subject of commercial transactions. Gigolo. A man who has a continuing sexual relationship with and receive financial support from a woman. A man who is hired as an escort or a dancing partner for a woman. of prostitution is given for some causes such as lack of financial resources, lack of moral values instilled, low educational level, family disintegration, feelings of abandonment and inferiority, inability to establish satisfying and heterosexual relationships, mental deficiency. Consequences of prostitution are have a venereal diseases such as AIDS, vaginal herpes, gonorrhea, etc. It leads to drug and alcohol addictions, precipitates mental weakness, social rejection, violation of the law, unwanted pregnancies, broken families. Conclusion of prostitution. It is the business or practice of providing sexual services to another person in return for payment. The person who receives payment for sexual services is called a prostitute and is a kind of sex worker, and the person who receives such services is known by a multitude of terms. Some people ask, why do men go to prostitute? The most common reason why men say they bought sex to satisfy immediate sexual urge for 21% of time men wanted to select women with certain physical, racial, and sexual stereotypes such as being submissive. 20% went to prostitutes because they were unsatisfied with their current relationship. Why prostitution is a problem? Many are recruited into prostitution by force, fraud, or coercion. Some women need money to support themselves and their children. Others need money to support their drug habits. Abuse is a common theme in the lives of prostitutes, mainly were abused as children either physically or sexually or both.